Solder preforms small parts with big jobs. Ever wonder what these tiny metal pieces do? They're called solder preforms, and they're used to create precise, reliable solder joints in critical tech. In electronics, they ensure perfect solder amounts during circuit board assembly, reducing waste and improving performance. In aerospace, preforms are used to solder sensors and create airtight seals in satellites and avionics. In medical devices, they're perfect for micro-sized, high-reliability soldering, even in life-saving equipment like pacemakers. In automotive, they help connect sensors and battery components with high thermal performance. They also play a big role in semiconductors, bonding chips, sealing packages, and managing heat. From electronics to aerospace, medical, and automotive, solder preforms keep the world connected. Want precision soldering? Think solder preforms. Follow for more tech in a minute. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights.